but they are going to take my return because they're a happy returns partner. So let's see how it works. I have the QR code right here. Okay, perfect. Thank you. She scans my phone, checks the shoes, and bags them up.
For your receipt, it's going to be in your email.
Okay. The whole thing took about 2 minutes. Wow. Okay, so it confirmed that I got the return, and I
Flash flood warning for the Big Island of Hawaii until 1:30 p.m. At 11:04 a.m., radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling over the west side of the Big Island. The highest of rain rates were 1 to 2 inches per hour over the South Kohala and North Kona districts. This rain is occurring over ground saturated from earlier rainfall. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly, especially along the Kohala Mountain Road, Highway 190 near mile mark 5 and 6, and Puako. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kariluakona, Captain Cook, Waikoloa Village, Kapa'au, Pu'uanahulu, Holualoa, Honolulu, Kalaua, Pohatuloa Training Area, Kainaliu, Kahalu'ukao, Kealakekua, Puako, Honolulu, Waihai, Kamuela, Kohala Ranch, Waipio Valley, Waimanu Valley and Pololu Valley. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Do not cross fast-flowing or rising water in your vehicle or on foot. Turn around, don't drown.
Keeping leaks off her mind. Comfortable in shapewear fabric, she moves with ease. Confident on nights like these. Depend Silhouette. The only thing stronger than us is you.
Hate doesn't exist in a vacuum. One form of hate leads to another. And there is one form of hatred on the rise in the U.S., often passed off as legitimate discourse or just ignored. Anti-Semitism. When you speak out a form of hatred,
ShowAlohaLand.com. Get in the holiday spirit and get your tickets today.